All right, so a few weeks ago, I asked you guys if you wanted to see more menswear featured on this channel, and an overwhelming amount of you guys said yes, I want to see that type of content. And I was a little bit surprised. I wasn't really sure how that was going to go, but I heard you guys loud and clear, and I was happy to know that you guys wanted to see that type of content because streetwear is cool, but you got to play both sides. So all menswear pickups are in this video. I've got like 2 different suits. I've got a watch. I've got a subscription box. I've got like a lot of good stuff that I'm going to show you. So, you know, menswear is definitely important. You can't always wear streetwear to like weddings, classy functions, business casual situations. So I'm going to show you guys all the new pickups that I've got in this video. Let's break it all down. Let's go. First up, let's kick this off with a suit. I don't think I have formally featured a suit on this channel, so I'm gonna show you guys 2 of them in this video, starting off with this burgundy joint that I wore like a month back to a wedding, and a ton of you guys were asking me about this because I featured it on my Instagram. So this suit is actually from Express, and I don't shop at Express. It's not my style. I really don't like anything in there except their suits. Now, is this a great quality suit that's gonna last you forever? No, it's not. Places like Topman, Express, Zara, fast fashion brands, they offer suits, and that's a good thing because you're gonna get the most current fit out of a suit that's available. So this is an extremely skinny fitting suit in like a trendy color. So I was going to this wedding and I'm like, you know, I don't really want to wear a standard color, something formal and boring. I'm like, let's spice it up a little bit. It's one of my good friends. You know, I kind of want to make a statement. So I pulled out this burgundy joint. This was not that expensive. I'll be sure to link it for you guys down in the description. And the best part is that you don't really have to get this tailored. Like I said, you can get this off the rack and is ready to wear. The downside is that the quality's not there. This is not gonna last you a super long time. After you have it dry cleaned a few times, you know, the quality is gonna start to diminish. But you get that good fit, you get that trendy color, and it's inexpensive. So there's definitely some perks to buying a suit like this from Express, Zara, Topman. This one in particular, I just really liked, and it's cool to have this. You know, this is good to wear if you're like a single guy going to a wedding or some kind of formal event in the fall. It's a conversation starter, and it's just something to talk about. You know, if your game is right, you can take it from there. This is an extra skinny fit. I am 6'2", 185, and this suit fits me perfectly. So I will link you guys to this suit down in the description. I could talk more about it, but let's keep it moving because I have a lot more to show you. Next up, this is just super quick. I got an all white Oxford from Everlane, and I buy one of these every single fall. This is my 3rd one, and it's good to have a fresh Oxford on deck. If you're going somewhere and you have to wear a collared shirt, you know, just break this thing out if you really don't want to think much about it. Having one of these in your closet, it's never gonna do you wrong. If you don't know what to wear somewhere, just toss this on. A white Oxford. Gotta have a fresh one in your closet. It's an absolute must. Okay, so let's get into something else that I don't really feature on this channel very often, and that is a watch. I don't show watches on this channel very often because here's the reason. Being a men's fashion YouTube channel, I get tons of watch companies that reach out to me and they always say, hey, can you feature my watch? Can you feature our watch? And I'll click the link, I'll check out the watches, and like 90% of the time, they are terrible. They'll have like some crazy bezel, there'll be like some wristband that matches your sneakers, and I'm just not really into that type of stuff. I'm literally like, is any clean, simple, minimal watch company gonna reach out to me and ask me to feature one of their watches? Because I will, and I just wanna wear something like that. And I don't spend much time researching watches. It's not something that I wear too often. Obviously, I rarely wear a watch. So fast forward a little bit, Boulder Watch Company reached out to me. I checked out their website and I was like, yup, I'm on board, send one over. So they did, and I'm super happy with this watch. It's an affordable option. They hit for like $180 or something like that. I've got a discount code that you guys can use, and a portion of the profits go to charity. So you can choose how much of the profits from the watch that you buy go to charity. So I thought that was really cool, but still the product has to be strong, and it is. This clean, simple watch from Boulder is really nice, and it's exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna show you guys a navy suit in a little bit, and I wanted a nice navy watch to go with that. So this is the Chrono watch in navy and silver. It's got a nice sized face. I really need something bigger because I have big hands, so I really can't have a small watch sitting on my wrist, and it's very minimal. There's not anything extra on this watch, and that's exactly what I like about it. It looks elegant, it's got that luxury type appeal while still being very minimal, and the price tag isn't too expensive. So I didn't get my expectations up, I'm saying, for this watch. But when I got it in hand, I was like, damn, this thing's nice. So if you want a nice, clean, classy watch to add to your watch collection, or maybe it'll be your first watch, who knows, check out Boulder Watch. I'll link it for you guys down in the description. Like I said, there's also gonna be a promo code to get a little bit of a discount. So Boulder Watch, down in the description, check it out. Okay, so it's been a while since I've featured a men's subscription box, and there's a lot of reasons for that, but I've been eager to try out some of these subscription services. Some of them look terrible, but some of them actually look really nice, and this one does look nice. This is from Menlo House, and the style that they're portraying on their website seems right up my alley. It's menswear, but it's not too dressy. And the subscription service is not that expensive. It's under $100. I believe you can cancel at any time, so it's really what you want. So for me, that's exactly what I'm looking for, because I don't want to break the bank, and I don't want to get into some contract where I'm signed up for like 6 months. So first up, looks like there's 2 clothing items here. We'll check these out in a second. Let's start off with the footwear. We've got 2 pairs here, and they are both from New Republic. You guys may be familiar with New Republic. They offer a lot of menswear type sneakers and boots. So I believe these first joints are actually a pair of sneakers. Yep, okay, all right, whoops, okay. Yep, all right, making a mess. We've got a simple, clean, white pair of sneakers, and these are just all leather, not a whole lot to these, and this is the exact type of sneaker that you can wear with a suit. A lot of you guys have asked me about wearing sneakers with suits. Can you do it? Yes, you can, but it depends on the type of sneaker that you're gonna wear. This definitely works. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys wanna see a video about wearing sneakers with formal suits. I think that would be an interesting idea. Definitely let me know, but these are just a simple, clean pair of white sneakers, and the leather on here is actually really nice. So I ain't mad at these. Not at all. This next pair, I believe, is a pair of boots. It is, and bruh, fall is here, Chelsea boot season, and New Republic makes a great Chelsea boot. Is this a brown or is this a gray? I don't know the exact color of this. They're calling it a gray. In hand, it kind of looks like a brown, but they make this boot, I believe, for $100. I still owe you guys my top 5 favorite Chelsea boot video, so maybe I'll drop that this fall. I'm sorry, a couple things get thrown to the wayside. I can already tell that this is the exact type of shape I like in a Chelsea boot. It's not too low cut, and it's not too pointy. The suede is decent, nothing crazy, but nothing bad, and this is a darker color than anything that I have. A lot of my Chelsea boots are like a light tan. Okay, now let's check out the clothing. Just gonna dig in here real quick. The first thing is a t-shirt. I haven't checked this out yet, so sorry that it's gonna be wrinkled and fresh out of the box, but this is how you're gonna receive the package. And you know, you gotta iron everything you get. This looks like just a basic slub cotton t-shirt in an olive green. For me, I think that this next jacket is gonna be a little bit more appropriate because it's cold right now where I'm at. This is really nice. It's a navy green. Oh my God, navy green. This is the point I know, like, where I've been recording too long. Like, I get hyped at the beginning of the video, and then I get like 15, 20 minutes in, and I'm like drained, calling stuff navy green. This is a dark navy bomber jacket with a silver zipper. And it's thin, so it's not like that puffy Rothko style bomber jacket. You can absolutely wear this with a button down underneath. So that's definitely a solid package in my opinion, and I'm happy with the items that I received. So I will be sure to link Menlo House down in the description, and you guys can check it out. Let me know what you think, and also let me know if you guys want to see more subscription box unboxings on this channel. It's something that I kind of wanted to dive into. Let me know any that you've checked out down in the comment section, and maybe I'll unbox it from that brand, but let's keep it moving. Also, by the way, this rugby that I'm wearing is from Everlane. Sometimes I forget to mention what I'm wearing, but this just dropped. I'll link it for you guys. 40 bucks, fits true to size. I'm 6'2", 185. I went with an extra large. Is that the information you need? I think it is. Okay, so last up, I have something that I'm very stoked on, and the reason for that is because this right here is gonna last me forever. So this is a Ralph Lauren Purple Label suit. So there's nothing flashy about this. There's nothing trendy, nothing at all. This is an extremely expensive suit that I got well on sale, thankfully. The retail price on this suit is $5,000. I really wanted to get a suit that would last me forever. Something that I could just have in my closet that's never gonna let me down. You know, that Express suit, that is gonna let me down for sure. Just to put things into perspective, the tailor work on this suit costs more than that entire Express suit. And that says something. You have to have this fitted. It needs to fit you perfectly. So I went to the Polo store in Boston. Everything got fitted to a T, and I just received it back. They just shipped it to me. So I probably need to like dry clean it at least once or something before I wear it. So you can have some balance in the suit game, something trendy and cheap and something formal that is made with the best quality that you can get. So 2 different suits here. Let me know which one you guys like better down in the comment section. But I have 2 different options that I just added to my closet. I'm not gonna throw this one. I'm gonna hang it nicely. So there you guys go with my menswear pickups. Let me know what you thought about everything. Hit that thumbs up if you want to see more menswear content. Subscribe if you're new, and make sure you're following me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. If you want to see how I wear this stuff, definitely follow me on Instagram. I already posted that burgundy suit. You can see how it looks on and all that, but I'm sure I already wore it in this video or something like that. But yeah, definitely hit the thumbs up on this one and subscribe if you're new. A lot more content is on the way. I will catch you guys next time. Peace.